jingīalang ki Kynhun Myntri ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance haka janmiat jong khandai tarik unai wing arjar puar kala Mynjur ya ka Ordinance ban pynduh ya ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arjar puai. Menteri rangba ka jela Meghalaya konrad ki sangma ulaong ba kumbau Menteri badai khmi ya tanat taxation ula dapkran kumta la Mynjur ya ka neha ka jingīalang ki Kynhun Myntri. Ulaong pat baya ka Ordinance ansara ka dorbar babut jong ka yeng dorbar thawain ka jela bat andang ya penbet bat ulampang ka yeng dorbar.
We also decided today, as was announced by the Honourable Minister for Taxation, that an ordinance was brought today to the Cabinet to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and this ordinance today in the Cabinet has been passed. So we have not yet got any kind of clarification whether we'll be having any kind of a session, and obviously the mandate is that any kind of ordinance that is passed must be put to the assembly once the assembly sits. So in the next sitting of the assembly, whenever it is, afterwards obviously discussion with the Honourable Speaker, we will put it up in the next, whenever the next session is.